We have Sheriff and someone else hiding behind. Oh, wait, no, it poked out. Oh, no, I pushed it back under. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is the worst series of events. It is Jackson Storm. You have Yax SO. Rex. Spot SSR. Finnick SR. Jesse SSR. Jesse SR. Finnick SSR. Junior Moon SR. Aliens SSR.
Thank you, Brett. I'll get that one ready.
Jesse SSR. Downpour SR. SSR Buzz Lightyear. Cruz Ramirez SR. What QR of Flash? QR of Woody.
Afternoon, Magda. I am on best behavior.
Are you sure?
Oh, absolutely not.
Clawhauser SR. Aliens QR. We're getting some really good QRs today. As opposed to the ones that you have to use in restaurants.
Like the code?
Yeah. Are you at pro QR code menu or anti QR code menu?
I like having the option for both.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I don't like it when it's exclusively QR code. I'd rather have exclusive physical menus.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But if you have a table of 4 and only 3 menus available and then someone uses one on their phone, then sure.
But ordering through your phone.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
You are of the good dinosaur.
That's a good question to poll.
Yeah.
Are you...
Well, I thought everyone was pro QR because I was I know a lot of people that don't like having to talk to people. It just means you can sit and make your own decision. But
Sure.
The more that people talk about it, the more I realize that a lot of people are anti QR ordering.
I think it's the same argument as cashless society sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, where it's some people are yeah, I don't care, it's fine. And then people,
Ooh, SP of Arlo. That is a very pretty card.
wow.
Yeah, I feel having the option for both is definitely a more accessible.
Yeah, I never like removing an option for something else.
No.
There is a dumpling place near my place that has QR menu, but cash only payment.
Oh.
And it becomes very hard to do both.
Stunning. I know a lot of places that do that, where you order through the QR code, but you still have to pay separately, which is like fine, but like confusing. Well, GP of Woody.
Favorite card?
The Ace of Hearts.
Yeah, real king
Yeah.
of real Joker guy. Yeah.
GP of GD Hearts. QR of Foot.
Wait, I can answer this in 2 ways.
Oh, Buzz and Woody. Cute. Oh God.
Here it is. Yes.
What the hell are those?
It's all coming back to me. My heritage.
Your heritage. I don't like this maniacal laugh.
I'm so sorry.
Why do they look like hieroglyphs?
I'll have to show chat in a moment. But anyway. The most common card I can answer is the Blastoise promo card. For the, I don't know what it is, but it's the Blastoise Dynamax promo card. It's really cool.
See, since the question, what's your favorite card? I've just had the song Queen card like playing on repeat in my head, but not the whole song, just like the little bit that people do the dance to. Oh, I'm gonna go crazy.
Premium collection, is that what it is? I can't remember.
Premium collection
Blastoise.
or ultra premium collection?
Blastoise promo card Dynamax. It's not even called that, it's VMAX. Blackstar promo, Sword and Shield 103. What is it? Yeah, it's got some. That's got
Finishing
some.
Danny Swerves
money behind it.
SSR.
Hold on. Is that to finish us off?
Yeah.
Excellent.